Hi, it's Margaret from Let's Learn to Sew. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the one-step buttonhole foot on a Brother CS6000i. It is an electronic machine, and the process is going to be the same on most machines that have a one-step buttonhole foot. A one-step buttonhole foot works by opening this back section here. You have this lever that slides. You're going to open it up. You're going to take the button that you're going to be sewing onto the finished project. You're going to put it in here, and then you want to close this shut. And you just close it by pushing down on it. So this lever opens it, and then you push it to close it. This is what's going to tell the machine how big to make the buttonhole. This area here, you'll see a little bar. That is what we're going to attach to the sewing machine. This machine comes with several different buttonholes, and the way you program them in is this first stitch selector goes up by 10 and the second one goes up by 1s. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a simple regular buttonhole, which is number 30. So now the machine is set and it knows that I'm going to be using the buttonhole feature. The next thing to do is to change out the foot. So the first thing we have to do is we're going to raise our presser foot if it's down. There's a lever in the back that we're going to raise up, and when we raise that up or push it in, it's going to make the foot drop off. So let's go ahead and remove the all-purpose foot. Just press that lever in. The foot drops off and we can remove it. To put the buttonhole foot on, we're going to line up this bar with the section underneath, and you'll notice there's like a little opening, and that's where this attaches. I'm going to lower the presser foot once I have those lined up, and it's going to automatically grab it. Raise up, and I can see that the foot is on and it's not coming off. Once you have your foot on, the next thing to do is to pull down this lever in the back, and it lets the machine know that you're doing a buttonhole. You want to pull it all the way down, and you want it to be behind the lever on the buttonhole foot. So I'm going to go ahead and get it from another angle so that you can see that a little bit better. So now we're at a side view of the machine. Here's your buttonhole foot, and here's the lever. We're going to pull it down, and we want to make sure that we put it behind this guide that sticks up from the buttonhole foot. So we have our machine set for the buttonhole stitch. We have our buttonhole foot on the machine, and we have our lever engaged for the one-step buttonhole. Now we're going to take our fabric, and I like to put some tearaway stabilizer behind the area where my buttonhole is going to stitch out. It just gives you a neater, cleaner, finished buttonhole. So, raise my foot, and this buttonhole foot works backwards, so I'm going to put it where I want my buttonhole to start, and it's going to stitch back and forth. So go ahead and reach in and lower the presser foot. And we're going to start stitching. You don't have to back stitch with a buttonhole stitch. It's going to automatically do everything it needs to do. That's why it's called a one-step buttonhole. You do want to continue pressing the pedal until the needle stops on its own. That's when you know that the buttonhole is fully formed. Go ahead and turn your hand wheel. That raises your needle out of the way. Lift up our presser foot, and you notice that this pushed itself back. That means that it's already reset to do the next buttonhole if we were making several in a row. Go ahead and pull your fabric out and trim your threads. So we have our finished buttonhole. I went ahead and opened it up with my seam ripper, and as you can see, it's a perfect fit and the button slides right in. If you have any questions about using the buttonhole foot on your sewing machine, let me know and I'll be happy to help you.